interesting phenomenon we encounter every day: changes in state of matter. But before we begin, let me ask you a question. Have you ever seen ice melting, water evaporating, or morning dew? Now, choose one of the answers on this screen. Ice melting, water evaporating, morning dew. Wait a few seconds for the audience's choice. Okay, great! These are all examples of changes in state of matter. A change in state is the process by which a substance changes from one form to another, such as solid to liquid, liquid to gas, and so on. In this video, we'll dive deeper into the different types of changes in state, the processes involved, and examples of them in everyday life. Come on, stay motivated and ready to learn together. Let's begin this exciting adventure. What is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. It exists in three main forms: solid, liquid, and gas. In a solid, the particles are packed close together. In a liquid, they can move more freely. And in a gas, the particles move quickly and spread out. Matter can change from one state to another, like ice melting into water, or water evaporating into gas. Why can substances change form? Starting from the density shows how dense the particles are in a material. Solid, the particles are very dense, so the density is high. Liquid, its particles are arranged randomly, so it is less dense than most solids. Gas, the particles are far apart, so the density is low. However, it should be remembered that not all solids are denser than liquids. For example, wood, which is a solid, is less dense than water. Because density is primarily influenced by the distance between adjacent particles, the density of a substance will change as its state changes. When a substance heats up, its particles gain energy and move around more, so the substance takes up more space, which reduces its density. Conversely, cooling a substance slows down its particles so that the substance takes up less space, which increases its density. Freezing is the event of a change in the state of a substance from liquid to solid due to a decrease in temperature. Evaporation is the event of a change in the state of a substance from liquid to gas due to continuous heating or evaporation at a certain temperature. Condensation is the process of changing the state of a substance from gas to liquid, usually occurring when cold water vapor meets colder air, forming water droplets. Sublimation is the event of a change in the state of a substance from solid directly to gas without passing through a liquid state, such as dry ice changing directly to steam. Crystallization is the process of forming crystals from liquid or gas under certain conditions, usually when the temperature decreases or the pressure increases, so that the atoms or molecules arrange themselves in a regular and harmonious pattern to form crystals. Melting is the event of a change in the state of a substance from solid to liquid due to heating, where the temperature of the substance reaches its melting point.
Substances can change form because of changes in temperature, pressure, or energy, which alter the arrangement and movement of their particles. When these factors change, the particles either come closer together or move farther apart, causing the substance to transform from one state, solid, liquid, gas, to another.